In this video, we are going to talk about the top best portable solar panels for camping you can buy on Amazon. Links are in the description. Do check them out. So let's get started. 6. BigBlue 3 USB ports 28W solar charger 5V/4.8A max. On number 6 is the BigBlue 3 USB ports 28W solar charger. This is a highly portable, foldable power solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts who need to keep their small electronics charged away from a power grid. Its purpose is to harness solar energy to power devices like smartphones, tablets, and small power banks. One key features include 3 dedicated USB ports with a maximum total output of 4.8A, a durable, waterproof build with an IP44 rating, and high-efficiency SunPower solar panels that boast up to a 24% conversion rate. A unique design aspect is its 4-panel structure and reinforced grommets, which allow for easy attachment to a backpack while hiking or to a tent for hands-free charging. 2. In real-life scenarios, the charger performs impressively well, especially in direct sunlight, where it can maintain a strong charge for multiple devices. It's also noted for its ability to perform better than many competitors in less than ideal conditions, such as on partly cloudy days, thanks to its smart auto restart feature that quickly reestablishes a charge 3. Compared to a similar product like the Anker 21W solar charger, the BigBlue offers a higher wattage and an additional USB port, providing more power and charging flexibility. Given its consistent performance and feature set, the BigBlue 28W charger provides excellent value for money. 5. PPQ 40W Portable Solar Panel Kit 18V/2.2A 3LB Foldable Briefcase Solar Charger W/24% Efficiency. On number 5 is the PPQ 40W Portable Solar Panel Kit. This is a powerful and versatile solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable off-grid charging for a wide array of devices. With a high conversion efficiency of up to 24% from its monocrystalline silicon cells, the panel is built to maximize energy collection. Its build quality is impressive, featuring a durable 7-layer structure with ETFE lamination that provides an IP67 waterproof rating, making it more robust and weather-resistant than many of its competitors, such as the BigBlue 28W W-448. The ease of use is a standout feature, as its briefcase-style design folds into a compact 3-pound package, complete with a convenient storage pocket for the included cables. A unique design aspect is the sheer number of output options, 14 in total, thanks to a clever combination of 2 included cables, allowing it to charge virtually any phone, tablet, or small power bank. In real-life scenarios, the panel performs reliably, though, like all solar panels, it may not consistently reach its full 40W rating due to environmental factors. Compared to the BigBlue 28W, the PPQ offers a higher wattage and superior IP rating, providing a more robust and future-proof charging solution for a slightly higher cost. 4. SOLPERK Solar Panel Kit 20W12V Solar Battery Trickle Charger Maintainer. Number 4 is the SOLPERK 20W12V Solar Panel Kit. This is a specialized power solution primarily designed for maintaining the charge of 12V batteries in vehicles like cars, boats, RVs, and motorcycles. It is not intended as a primary charger for small electronics like phones, but rather as a trickle charger to prevent batteries from discharging over time. Its key features include a robust all-weather build with a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame and a low iron-tempered glass surface, ensuring a prolonged lifespan of up to 25 years. A standout component is the upgraded waterproof charge controller, which uses an intelligent 3-stage charging design to prevent overcharging, overvoltage, and short circuits, a crucial safety and efficiency feature for battery health. The kit also includes a unique 360-degree adjustable mounting bracket, making installation and optimal sun positioning remarkably easy for continuous battery maintenance. In real-world use, the panel excels at its core purpose, reliably keeping vehicle batteries at a full charge without drawing power from them at night. For its specific purpose of reliable, long-term battery maintenance, the SOLPERK provides exceptional value for money, offering a durable, reliable, and user-friendly solution that is more effective and purpose-built than a general-purpose solar charger. 3. Renogy 200W Portable Solar Panel IP65. Waterproof foldable solar panel power backup. On number 3 is the Renogy 200 portable solar panel. This is a robust and powerful solution designed for serious off-grid applications, far exceeding the capabilities of smaller chargers. Its purpose is to serve as a high sync power source for charging large batteries in RVs, boats, or portable power stations, effectively replacing a traditional generator for many uses. Key features include 2 foldable 100W monocrystalline panels, a sturdy aluminum frame, and an impressive IP65 waterproof rating that makes it highly durable against the elements. The unique design aspect is its integrated, sturdy kickstands, which are easy to use and allow for optimal angling toward the sun, greatly improving real-world performance. In sunny conditions, it can generate a substantial amount of power, with users reporting outputs that sometimes exceed the rated 200W, a testament to its quality. However, its efficiency can drop significantly in shaded conditions, as is common with most solar panels. Compared to the Jackery Solar Saga 200W, the Renogy is often noted for being a more affordable option that offers similar functionality and performance. Overall, this product is an excellent choice for campers, van dwellers, or anyone needing a reliable, high-capacity solar setup for extended off-grid living, as it provides a blend of high power and proven brand reliability. 2. ZeroKor Portable Solar Generator 300W Portable Power Station with foldable 60W solar panel. On number 2 is the ZeroKor Portable Solar Generator. This is a compact and versatile power solution designed for off-grid power needs, such as camping, RV use, or as a home backup during outages. 7. It stands out by combining a 300W pure sine wave power station, 280 watt wave power, in a single kit, providing a self-contained charging ecosystem. Key features of the power station include a pure sine wave AC output, multiple ports, AC, DC, DC, USB, and a lightweight design around 5Ls and quiet operation. A notable design aspect is the built-in MPPT controller for efficient solar charging, though a full charge may take 6-8 hours in good sunlight. The pure sine wave output is a crucial feature as it ensures clean, stable power that is safe for sensitive electronics. When comparing it to a competitor like the Jackery Explorer 300, the ZeroKor offers a similar capacity and power output, but often provides the solar panel as a bundle, making it a more complete and cost-sophisticated package for those starting their solar journey. This product is an excellent value for money and is highly recommended for anyone who needs a reliable and portable power source for light to moderate use, ensuring they have a quiet power solution wherever they go. 1. Zoop 100W Portable Solar Panel Camping Essentials 20V ETFE Foldable Solar Charger Summit Innovation, a portable solar charger. On number 1 is the Zoop W100W Portable Solar Panel. This is a lightweight and highly efficient power source designed for individuals who need to charge devices on the go, such as campers, RV enthusiasts, and those preparing for emergencies. Its primary purpose is to capture sunlight and convert it into usable energy for power stations, phones, tablets, and laptops. Key features include a high-efficiency 23.5% monocrystalline cell, which performs well in various light conditions, and a durable IP67 waterproof ETFE coating that protects against the elements. A unique design aspect is its magnetic handle and compact foldable structure, making it one of the most portable 100W panels at just under 10 pounds. In real-life scenarios, users report the panel is easy to set up with its adjustable kickstands and can reliably pull in a significant portion of its rated 100W output, often reaching 85 watts in good conditions. A major point of comparison with competitors like Renogy is that the ZeroKor often comes with a wider variety of adapter cables included, ensuring compatibility with a broad range of power stations 9. Its combination of high efficiency, robust build, and included accessories makes it an excellent value for money, providing a blend of performance and convenience that is hard to beat. So guys, this was the video about the best portable solar panels for camping. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. Thank you.